Welcome to the Express Legal Funding channel. Today, we'll be diving into what you need to know about proving fault in a head-on collision. Head-on collision, proving fault and protecting your rights. Were you injured in a head-on collision? Understanding how to prove fault is crucial for your insurance claim and legal options. Let's break down the key steps to protect your rights and get the compensation you deserve. Head-on collisions are among the most dangerous types of car accidents. They often result in severe injuries or fatalities due to the high-impact forces involved. Determining who is at fault is essential for recovering damages. Fault isn't always obvious. It requires a thorough investigation to uncover the circumstances leading to the crash. This is where understanding the legal and investigative processes becomes vital. In legal terms, proving fault means establishing negligence. Negligence occurs when someone fails to exercise reasonable care, leading to an accident and injuries. Several factors can contribute to negligence in a head-on collision. Common examples include distracted driving, texting, eating, driving under the influence, alcohol, drugs, speeding, and reckless driving. Mechanical failures like faulty brakes can also be a cause. If you're able, gather as much evidence as possible at the accident scene. This includes taking photos and videos of the vehicles, the road conditions, and any visible injuries. Exchange information with the other driver, but avoid admitting fault. Obtain contact information from any witnesses who saw the accident occur. Their testimony can be invaluable. The police report is a critical piece of evidence. It contains the officer's observations, witness statements, and a preliminary determination of fault. Obtain a copy of the police report as soon as it's available. Review the report carefully for any inaccuracies or omissions. If you disagree with the officer's findings, consult with an attorney about your options. A thorough investigation often goes beyond the immediate accident scene. Accident reconstruction experts can analyze the evidence to determine the cause of the collision. They use physics and engineering principles to recreate the events. They can examine skid marks, vehicle damage, and other factors to determine speed, direction, and point of impact. This information can be crucial in proving negligence. Witnesses can provide valuable insights into the events leading up to the collision. Their accounts can corroborate your version of events and help establish the other driver's negligence. Independent witnesses are particularly helpful, as they have no personal stake in the outcome of the case. Their testimony carries significant weight. Once you've gathered evidence, you'll need to file an insurance claim. Be prepared to provide detailed information about the accident, your injuries, and your damages. Insurance companies may try to minimize your settlement. Consulting with an attorney can help you navigate the claims process and protect your rights. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, you may need to file a lawsuit. Keep detailed records of all medical treatment, expenses, and lost wages. This documentation is essential for proving the extent of your damages. Also, document the emotional impact of the accident. Head-on collisions can cause significant emotional distress, including anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Proving fault in a head-on collision can be complex. An experienced attorney can investigate the accident, gather evidence, negotiate with insurance companies, and represent you in court if necessary. Don't hesitate to seek legal counsel if you've been injured in a head-on collision. A lawyer can help you understand your rights and options. If you or a loved one has been involved in a head-on collision, time is of the essence. Contact a qualified attorney to discuss your case and understand your legal options. Protect your rights and get the compensation you deserve. Protect your rights and get the compensation you deserve. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps others discover our content. For more information about proving fault in a head-on collision and other legal topics, be sure to visit expresslegalfunding.com.